Hi guys, welcome to my channel Mother's Flavor. My name is Nikita and today's recipe is no spice mixed with sabzi. I'm sure you guys must be wondering what is this no spice? No spice is here. I have not added any chili. I'm not adding either green chili or even chili powder. Today I'm also going to show you as to how you can use this no spiced mixed with sabzi in two ways. The first way is where you use the sabzi as a stuffing in a roll. Take a chapati, place the stuffing in between, add in some mint and coriander chutney or ketchup or any other chutney of your choice and place an onion on it and just roll it. It actually makes a very good idea for your kids' lunch box because kids generally don't like too much of spicy stuff, and since we are not adding any spice in it, it goes really well with them. The second way of using it is along with the dal chawal. Much as we all love dal chawal, the addition of some sabzi or poriyal makes us feel that the meal was complete and more nutritious. This sabzi makes a very good accompaniment along with the dal chawal also. We'll be using the following ingredients to make our no spice mixed with sabzi. Here I have taken about half a cabbage. The cabbage that I'm using here is very small. If you're using a big cabbage, then just use 1/4 of it. 125 grams of paneer, which I have cut into big cubes like this. One medium-sized carrot, which I have cut into medium-sized juliennes like this. Around 10 to 15 beans, which I have cut into diamond shapes like this. Around one medium-sized capsicum, which I have cut into juliennes like this. 1 tablespoon of oil. Teaspoon of garam masala. Tablespoon or half a tablespoon of dhania powder. The addition of dhania powder is to your choice. If you like dhania powder in your sabzi, you can add around 1 tablespoon. If you don't like it, then you can just add around half a tablespoon. Salt to taste, a teaspoon of turmeric powder. So to make our sabzi, first we'll have to heat a pan on medium flame. Once our pan is heated, we'll add in about 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Once our oil is heated, we will add in our chopped beans. We'll saute the beans for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. If you're new to cooking, keep your flame on medium. If you're used to cooking, then keep your flame on medium high. Now, after about 2 minutes, add in our carrots and we'll saute our carrots again for another 2 minutes till they become soft. After about 2 minutes, add in our cabbage. Saute the cabbage till it turns translucent. Sauteing this cabbage can take somewhere between 3 to 4 minutes. Add the cabbage, you can turn the flame to high and saute it. Sure, keep continuously stirring it if your flame is on high. Now, almost after 3 minutes, our cabbage has turned translucent. Now, add in our capsicum. Saute the capsicum for about a minute. Get the capsicum to have a slight crunchy taste, so I'm just sauteing it for a minute. If you don't like the crunchy taste and if you want it to be completely cooked, then saute it for about 2 minutes. Turn the flame to full low after a minute and add in our paneer cubes, turmeric powder, garam masala, dhania powder, salt to taste, and give this all a nice mix. If you like the flavor of garlic, then you can also add a little bit of garlic paste or garlic powder. The choice is yours. Here, if you have noticed, I have added the salt in the end because when you add the salt in the end, the vegetables will release a slight water content which is there in the vegetables, and it will help in cooking of the spices and the vegetables. So add salt in the end only. We've got a lovely color on our paneer as well. To cook your paneer and your spices on low flame itself. If you keep it on medium or high flame, then there are chances that your spices might, get burnt. Keep your flame on full low before adding paneer and the dry spices. Yeah, now it's ready. Now we'll just turn off our heat and we'll transfer this into our serving plates or serving bowl. We'll garnish it with some coriander leaves. So there you go, our no spiced mixed with sabzi is ready. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video, then do hit the like button and also do subscribe to my channel and do press the bell notification which is there right next to the subscription button so that you get the notification of all the videos as soon as I upload them. Thank you.